Oh, he loves it. That's a cool ring. Oh, that's awesome, man. Are you ready for the Renaissance?
No. You gonna ride a camel though?
What's your outfit?
Sheen.
Sheen? How much was it?
$15.
Oh, you can't beat that. What about those hair things you got?
$1 for a baggie of them. Look, Lee's putting them in now.
I would like one in my hair if that's okay. Like right here. Mine's too gritty.
Get one in there. You got too much poof.
Yo, you know what I got for the poof today? Wow. Where is it? This is what I brought for the poof. In case I get a little too poofy.
Oh,
Yeah.
highlighter.
You got deep poofing?
Yeah, I got leave-in conditioner.
Oh, there you go.
It's a 10.
I like to poof mine up. Oh, man, you got her all jacked up, man.
You're gonna look great. We're all gonna look like Oprah Winfrey.
Yeah, right. My hair.
Went free.
If there's any kind of like rain or humidity, my hair looks like a goddamn tumbleweed. Do you have that too?
Oh, yeah. Look at mine. Mine is a tumbleweed.
Your hair's always nice.
Mine's a tumbleweed. This is.
No. My hair looks like Rocco's
Let's all just
beard.
be grateful we have hair.
I like when people say, brush it out.
Yeah,
Like,
you
just
can't do
brush
that.
it.
Mine's one spark away from just igniting.
Yes, it is.
Your beard?
My beard.
Do you want some leave-in conditioner?
Yeah, you want some?
To puff it?
No, you're right.
What they used to use in the medieval time is honey.
Honey, huh?
That was the leave-in conditioner.
Is
Is that a real thing?
No, I just made it. All right, one more time. Cheers. Did you get one? I almost got the. You want to try this? It's really good. What'd you guys get? Wine slushies?
Wine slushy is really good. Really good for the upper lip when it's sweaty.
What'd you get, Lee?
Apple fritter.
What'd you get?
Beer.
You got beer.
Who is that wild
What'd you get, Kayla?
One giant turkey leg.
That's a lot of meat.
Crispy.
You're gonna eat all that, Leah?
Ooh, that's hot.
Let's go sit down.
Man, you're just a loincloth short
Hey,
of
I
a
got your pink
caveman right
lemonade.
there.
Oh my god, man. Ah. Good, good.
What's your outfit?
I'm the Miracle Growth.
Man, you're awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, would you like a tiny mushroom?
I could tell it looked really
Can we stick behind
this morning, but
Ew.
the minute you said no.
Hey, you have a good day.
Hey, I hope you have a good day. Have fun.
Me mushrooms. Cheers.
Strawberry raspberry.
Oh, hers is cool.
I like yours out. Oh my god, stop.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Wait, you have
What'd you
two?
get?
Oh.
Oh, you didn't get one. Oh, you got one in there.
Might,
Oh, here.
might fall out,
I'll
but
go get you 4 more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ask him for more.
No.
No.
Oh, geez. You can't take advantage.
It just tastes
looking for the jousting.
That's right again. There we go.
Everything's completely custom, by the way.
They look pretty cool. Yeah, I bet they're comfy.
I was only here on Saturday. That's fine, but I'm they don't really need me on Sunday anymore, so yeah.
What was it, the week before that?
No. Yeah, I wasn't here on Sunday, but yeah, I was just here button. So see them?
Oh, those are sweet. What are they, pens?
Put them in rice. They're hair sticks. Not a good idea.
Since I wasn't there at the time of this movie, I don't
Oh, that one's little pigs.
know what I would have made of this color at the moment.
Don't know.
We don't know. We just made it up. Some sort.
I think you go like this, and then you go.
And then you try to make it to the other side.
Yeah.
Which game are you asking about?
This one behind you.
Nine men's Morris.
Yeah.
Not Chinese checkers, it's nine men's Morris.
I don't know how to
Ah, okay.
They all come with instructions.
you. That's all we have time for. We have music available if you'd like to purchase them.